show you how to request through the portal for different things like pension requests, updating self-managed superannuation fund details, request to update trust deeds, request for Centrelink schedules, things like that. So I'll jump right in. As you can see on the left-hand corner of the screen here, there's an online forms section. If you click into the online forms section, you can see that there's a number of requests that you can make through the portal. The first one I want to go through is changing a trustee. So that's this request here. Whenever you click on an online form, it will take you to a form that needs to be filled out with certain information that we require to complete the request. A lot of these forms will have asterisks or for certain details, which means that they are required before you are able to submit to the next page or submit to our admin team. So you can see that this is a change to a change of trustee request form. There's a number of other requests that you can make through the online form section. You can request for a new bare trust, you can request for a pension, you can request for an updated investment strategy, which just gives you the bare outline of a standard investment strategy, which will need to be amended by the clients. A few other important things that you can do through here, you can request for rollovers, you can request for just say that the members change their address. You can actually do a change of SMSF details request form through this button here, which will allow you to update the address. You could request for Centrelink schedules, notice of intent to claims, and I think another major one that we usually see is a request to wind up an SMSF, which is this form down here. So very, very handy set of forms here. Once they are completed with the information required and submitted, they go to our admin team to action. Cheers.